Now for the users that like to work with nested blocks, means blocks with inside blocks, now we can schedule those nested blocks. So for this exercise, I'm going to make use of my catalog. So in my status bar, I'm just going to switch on my catalog and I'm going to bring in assembly from my catalog. So I'm going to place the first one, second one, and the third one. So just a copy of the first one. I'm going to close my catalog, and now you will see that's block number 1. As you can see, block reference. But within this block, there's actually another set of nested blocks. So to prove my point is, if you go to modify, we go down to block, and we go down, you'll see this option that says analyze blocks. So if I'm going to click on the command, Caddie will tell me that is the blocks that's in the drawing. Now, if I look at the assembly, you will see that there's a plus sign in front. So as soon as I click on the plus sign, then it will tell me there is another subdivision block involved in this one block. So there displays where the cleat of this cupboard, my back panel, my left door panel, right panel, my handle itself, floor panel. So what we're going to do is, now we're going to schedule including the nested blocks. Previously, you could only schedule the block itself, but now in 27 you can include the nested blocks. So the command that we're going to make use of is under modify. We go down to blocks, and you see this option that says schedule blocks. Now, new to Caddie 27 is that you will see that at the bottom it says include nested blocks. So I want to include all of it. So I'm going to use the double arrow, except the assembly. Sorry, I don't want an assembly, but the rest I would like to have. My output will going to be to table, but the important part is I'm going to ask Caddie include nested blocks. So I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask us indicate the top left point of the table, E for freehand, indicate the position, T for top view, and as you can see, it's given me my schedule table. Cleat, in this case, my count is 12, and as I scroll down, my handle, back panel, 3, left door, 3, right door, 3. So at the end of the day, when it comes to nested blocks, you can schedule it now.